Okay, students, this exercise also let's do. Let's do this exercise as well. Okay. Complete the sentences with the adjectives below and the past simple form of the verbs in brackets. Okay. So we have to use these adjectives as well as the past simple form of the verbs given in brackets. Right. Let's see. This one. Okay. Spencer space within brackets they have given B, another space. When he space drop all his money on the floor of the shop. Say Spencer was the most. Spencer was. Where is it coming here? Okay, Spencer was embarrassed. No, Spencer was embarrassed. Let's move it a bit up. Spencer was embarrassed when he dropped. When he dropped all his money on the floor of the shop. No, Spencer was embarrassed when he dropped all his money on the floor of the shop. He was embarrassed. Best space within brackets B space when she again space in the essay competition. We can say this was, we can say delighted. This was delighted when she won. No, when she won the essay competition. Bess was delighted when she won the essay competition. Okay. Next one. I space within brackets feel a bit against space when the man against space said he was a millionaire. Then I felt a bit suspicious. No, we can say a bit suspicious or shocked or surprised. We can use all of those words. I felt a bit suspicious when the man said. When the man said he was a millionaire. I felt a bit suspicious when the man said he was a millionaire. Next one. We space within brackets B very against space when the music space stopped and everyone leave the party. Okay. We, I think the most suitable word is were. We means B verb means in the past tense is were. We were very, I would say, disappointed. We were very disappointed when the music stopped. When the music stopped and everyone left the party. No, we were very disappointed when the music stopped and everyone left the party. Next one. I space within brackets get a bit against space because Dan against space about his new girlfriend all evening. Then we can say I got a bit bored. No, it's a bit boring. No, I got a bit bored because Dan talked about his new girlfriend all evening. I got a bit bored because Dan talked about his new girlfriend all evening. And the last one. You space within brackets they have given the B verb. Extremely again another space. When we again another space within brackets find your mobile phone behind the sofa. You were in the past tense is were students. B verb is were. You were extremely relieved. No, you feel relieved when your phone is found. No, when your phone is found, you have lost your phone. When your phone is found, you feel relieved. So you were extremely relieved when we found your mobile phone behind the sofa. No, you were extremely relieved when we found your mobile phone behind the sofa. Right, students. That's the last exercise of today.